This is an unboxing of the Remarkable Paper Pro. I'm actually already an owner of the Remarkable 2. It's a pretty handy device. I've really enjoyed using it. The process of writing on this feels very natural, and I really appreciate a lot of the functions like cut and paste. You can move things around, all that stuff. It's been really useful for me as I take notes for work. So I was very excited to receive this for Christmas. I was not expecting it at all. Let's open it up and see what we got in here. The ultimate paper tablet. So big features I'm expecting on this one: larger display and a color display and a light. So let's break into this thing. Oh, we got a full tab here. Great. Literally just noticed that before I started doing something stupid. Really like the cover on this box. Not to make a huge mess to get into this. There we go. Alright. Remarkable. Oh, get a tab here. Okay. Well, there's the device. Just take the cover off. And hold the power button. Where is our power button? That's a great question. Up top. Second. Starting. Let's do this. We have here in the box. We got some quick start guide, a little thank you kind of deal. What else is in this thing? So right away we can see the big thing here. We got color. There's got a backlight. The Remarkable 2 that I've had for a little bit now. Oh, there's the cat. Does not have that. Come on, keep moving. Keep moving, buddy. There we go. And of course we got our USB here. As always, handy. Hopefully this is just a C to C. That's what I like to see at this point. Oh, look at that. C to C. That's beautiful. Alright, perfect. I always love that. This is well engineered here. Alright, put that aside. Okay, I need a smartphone or computer to start to complete the setup. Attach your marker. Well, that's my cue to pull out this next box. So, got the Marker Plus. My understanding is this is a different device from the current one, so I guess we'll pull that up too. So this is the current marker that they advertise. The best feature for this one is that this is a non-charged device. So this is just a dead thing here. Oh, balance, not now. Which is handy, and does have a tip on the end here that can be used for erasing. I did pay extra for that because that just seemed way too convenient. But let's break into this guy and see what we have in here. I do apologize for my voice today. Look up until I'm getting over some sort of flu or something. We're just going to tear into this one apparently. Sorry, not very elegant there. Alright, what do we got here? Marker Plus and Marker Tips. Good, came with the extra tips. There's a little pull tab there that I definitely didn't notice. Quick start guide. It's all in black. Okay, it just says scan the QR code. Very helpful quick start guide. Thank you for that. Alright, so what do we got now? Get that off there real quick. So, new pen. Put this aside for a second. I don't know how well this is going to show up, but basically the same size very similar matte feel. They both have sort of a flat side on one end, so it'll connect there. Battery symbol. Great, okay. We've got our battery symbol there. So yes, this is a charge device. It should charge just by sitting on the side of the device here, as I understand it. So we'll hit next. We're going to open this box as well, see what we have in the way of tips to work with. Oh, there's another box inside that box. Don't want to make a mess of this, really. It's actually a pretty sturdy little box, but I'm not really sure how to get inside. So we're gonna leave that aside for now. Get this stuff out of the way there. Did you see that? Yes. Okay. So it does refresh occasionally. That's fine. Familiar with that. Connect to Wi-Fi. All right. We're gonna edit this part out. All right. It's struggling a little bit to connect to the internet, so we'll give that another shot there. Might have gotten the password wrong. Success. There we go. Connected to our internet. Get the latest software. Great. Always got to get a good restart in, of course. So right off the bat, we can see it is a little bit larger, about the same width, but there's like another inch up top there. It's interesting, and of course, let's see here, if I turn this on, you can see the difference in the no backlight and the backlight. So, a lot of people complained about this old Remarkable, the 2, because it's basically useless in the dark, but then I wouldn't be writing in a notebook in the dark either, so it didn't really bother me. Anyway, paper tablet is restarting. The paper tablet. Oh, got cat hair on it already. That never takes long around here. I like the light though. I think it's pretty good. Loading, yes, connect to Wi-Fi, yes, that's fine. No, we did that. Latest software, great, perfect, good job. Pair your device. I'm just going to pull this over here for a second and take care of that. There we go. Alright, we got a kind of complicated verification code now, so D, K, X, W, G, A, D, M. Perfect. Oh, the lovely pairing of devices. So far, painless. Yep, connect description, yep, all that good stuff. Enter passcode. Just take that away for a second. Alright, then I have a recovery passcode. We'll go ahead and get a picture of that, just in case that's needed. Hit confirm. Writing hand. We are right-handed. Good to go. Okay. See what we got. Layouts. Alright. So yes, we do have templates we can use. That's always fun. But let's just kind of get in there. Oh, look at that. It's got all my old files. That's really handy. I appreciate that. Let's just open up a new notebook though. We'll go blank. We'll hit test. Delete. Test. here we go. Alright, writing tools. So, most of these are familiar to me from currently working on it. I personally like the fine line mechanical pencil. I was a mechanical pencil kid when I was younger. So let's try a simple, it just feels a little different. The writing feels different, the pen is just a lot sharper. But that does happen with these tips, they wear down over time. Test. Alright, so the big banner feature here is of course the colors. So let's see how the colors look. Actually, we're going to switch over to a marker, because it'll be a little easier to see. What about you? You're a marker, right? Perfect. Oop, but you're in black still. So, as I understand it, yeah, okay, so that's definitely a color. So it kind of starts off in black, and then if you give it a second, it kind of turns into the blue. The colors aren't especially bright. I don't even know how well they show up on here. We'll do a red for contrast. We're still in the mechanical pencil, being the marker. There we go, red. Oh, see the red, that's brighter, for sure. Blue is pretty close to black. Let's check our other colors while we're doing this. Yellow. Ooh, I like that. This one works really well. Do you see the starts in black and the color kind of follows me down the page? That's fun. And then cayenne. How's that cayenne look? Alright. Pretty faint still. So yeah, definitely the colors are not especially vibrant. But if we go over to the highlighter option, that's our highlighter. One of the things I definitely need to do a lot of work is, I use this a lot for note taking, so high balance, having an option to highlight things, I think will be handy, because that does show up pretty well, that highlighter. So that'll be fun to use. Overall, the UI looks very similar to what I'm used to. Writing, what's that? Just balance, buddy. Can't get here right now. Tags. Ooh, tags. Okay, so yeah, you can tag stuff. What kind of templates do we got? I really like the templates. They have been really handy for me. I mostly use the lines, if I'm honest, but I appreciate that they've got like these music ones down here and hexagons and all this other stuff. It's really handy. Okay. Well, one last thing we got to break into here is I also got a cover for it. So let's see how the cover is looking. Does this just open up? No, it doesn't open up. Pull that off. There we go. There. I was gifted this lovely blue. Isn't that nice? Got some color there. Okay. Open that up. Got instructions. The instructions appear to say drop it in there. So there's these little divots which it kind of fits into and should magnetize. Yes. So that actually wouldn't know it just by looking at it, but it's actually very secure in there, which is nice. And there we go. Okay, that was a quick look at the unboxing of the Remarkable 2. Seems like a pretty cool device. I'm looking forward to playing around with this a bit more. Thank you for watching.